Alert. A murderous animal has been sighted in your area. SCP-106, known as the Old Man, enjoys hunting victims between the ages of 10 to 25. The Old Man is capable of teleporting through solid walls, opening a rift to its hellish pocket dimension. SCP-106 also secretes a black, corrosive liquid. To preserve you and your loved ones, you need to stay away from walls and enclosed areas. Do not scream or attract attention. If face to face with 106, it can be stunned with a bright light. The entity is invulnerable to firearms, so refrain from shooting it. Secure, contain, protect.